The Teeter Totter is a fun riding obstacle found at many adventure riding schools. Today, I'm going to show you how I ride this one. We want to use target fixation 2 times. We want to stare at the base of the plank. As soon as the front tire gets to the base and we know we're straight, we look into the distance. A great way to practice target fixation is to begin by riding a flat plank. Check out this video for more tips on target fixation. Once you're comfortable riding the bike in a straight line, increase the challenge by adding a block. If you have too much momentum as you come up, you can turn it into a jump. On the other hand, if you come up and you don't have enough momentum and you stall, you can teeter, and then as you come down, you may totter off to the side. So we really need to focus on getting our momentum just right. So the real trick is to try and get that momentum just right. And if you're coming up, you don't have enough speed, you need to give it a little bit of gas. If you have too much gas, you need to use a little bit of brake. So this pass, we're gonna go with a steady momentum, right up and over. I ride the Teeter Totter in first gear to ensure that when I twist that throttle, I have enough torque to carry me up. Once you come in, you need to stay committed or you tip over if you don't have enough momentum. Your standing riding posture needs to be really dialed in on this because there is a big absorption as the bike comes down on the other side of the Teeter Totter. So we need to hold from our knees to our ankles, and the knees come soft as the bike comes up, and we absorb that shock on the way down. As soon as the bike transitions into the down, we need to position our hips to the rear, same as we would in any steep descent. If you've never ridden a Teeter Totter before, it's great to start by doing the individual steps. That way when you get to the Teeter Totter, you have more confidence. All of the skills that we use in riding the flat plank translate directly to the Teeter Totter. How quickly you need to execute them is the only difference. The Teeter Totter is a great training tool to really hone in the quick responses you need when going up a steep hill and down a steep hill. Go out and try one today. Come, they said, it'll be fun. There's a Teeter Totter.